everyone, and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Rosanna, and I hope you're ready for some fluffy and moist buttermilk pancakes. If you don't have any buttermilk at home, do not worry because I'm going to teach you how to make your own. But before we get started, for everybody that's new, I would like to invite you to subscribe, like and share this video, and do not forget to click the notification bell so that every single time I upload a new recipe, you are notified. And for everybody that's already joined, thank you so much for your support. Okay, let's get started. This recipe has a few ingredients. Let's start with the buttermilk. We're going to need 1 cup. I don't have any, but making your own is super easy. Just add 1 tablespoon of white vinegar or lemon juice into 1 cup of room temperature whole milk, and you will see it start to curdle. Mix well and set aside for a few minutes. Meanwhile, we're going to move on to the dry ingredients. In a large bowl, add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Mix everything until incorporated. Set aside, and in a different container, mix all the wet ingredients, starting with the 1 cup of buttermilk. Then 1 large room temperature egg. And lastly, 3 tablespoons of melted butter. Whisk everything until well combined. Now add all the wet into the dry ingredients and carefully whisk. We want our batter to be smooth, but make sure you do not overmix. If you can't get rid of all the lumps, that's okay. This is the consistency we want. It's smooth and thick enough for the pancakes to hold a nice shape. Once ready, let's move to the stove. Set your pan at a low heat. Add the butter, and once melted, pour 1/3 of a cup of the mix, which will give you a medium-sized pancake. When the edges look cooked, the top starts to bubble, and the bottom has a nice golden brown color, you can flip it. Let the underside turn golden, and once the pancake is fully cooked, transfer to a plate of your choice. And here is a quick recap. Also, I wanted to let you know that the full recipe will be down in the description area for your convenience. Repeat with the rest of your batter until all the pancakes are done. There are so many options, and I'm sure you have specific ingredients you like to top your pancakes with. As for me, I like to serve them with bananas or other fruits I may have available. For the syrup, I drizzle some delicious maple syrup over them. These are truly light, moist, and so tender. The buttermilk does not only contribute to flavor, but also helps activate the baking powder and soda, making these pancakes so fluffy and tender. It is the perfect breakfast. These embody what a perfect pancake is: moist, fluffy and packed in flavor. They're so delicious. All right, we reached the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and remember, you can follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful rest of your day.